Hey, Rick.
Yes, sir.
Good to see you. How you doing? All right.
Pretty good, sir.
So, you must see this a lot, these trees up next to the house?
Yes, all the time.
I mean, that's not good for the house, is it?
Well, it's dangerous for the house.
How so?
Because it rots the roof out, the gutters, the facial boards, and then the chimney, any type of mortar or something coming off the house, the tree is bad for it. And then as for the foundation, it destroys your foundation.
Are you surprised that a tree this big is this close to the house?
I'm very surprised.
I mean, how does that happen?
Well, why they plant it, I don't know why. But it's going to eventually destroy the house.
Yep, all right. So what species and how tall are we looking at here?
Well, you're probably looking at about 65 feet in the sky.
And what type of tree?
And black walnut.
I got you, all right. All right, so you guys are pretty well into it. What is your process for taking it down?
Well, our process, taking it down systematically, we take it down in stages.
Yeah.
We take all the top half out, and then once we get the top half out, then we'll take some of the logs out, we bring it down to the trunk.
All right.
And once we get it to the trunk, we drop the trunk and it's over.
Let's see it.
Then we grind the stump out.
Good, all right, well, let's get this thing down and drop it.
Yes, sir.
I'll let you get to it.
Yes, sir, let's go. Okay, Rob, where you want me at? Headache.
So you're gonna finish that top off there?
Yes, sir.
And so what do you mean when you say headache?
Headache is the universal sign of looking up. Something is coming down.
All right.
And so if you don't look up, it can be a terrible headache, a serious headache.
Pay attention.
Yes, so that's a universal around the nation.
Yeah.
Headache, look up. Come on down.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.